how's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys have already seen by the title and thumbnail, we have a very informative and kind of educational video for you guys on just some little, must-know hidden features that maybe you haven't been told, your salesman didn't go over when you bought the truck, or just other good things to know that are kind of little tips and tricks that'll make a difference when owning your Sierra. So first, we're gonna go over something to do with the key fob. So as you guys know, in the summer, it gets really hot, and if you really wanna air out your truck before you remote start it, this is gonna be helpful for you. So looking at your key fob, you wanna hit the unlock button. Well, first of all, you can adjust this setting in your truck to make this key fob control work. So first off, go to your key fob, you want to hit the unlock button once, and then you want to hold it down. And all the windows will go down. So as you guys can see there, all the windows in the Sierra are now down just by holding your key fob, which is a very cool trick. Again, like I said, when it's hot, very handy to have in the summer, just to release the heat in the vehicle. It also turns your headlights on for, I think, about 15 to 30 seconds. So next thing, guys, is going to be for your MultiPro tailgate, or tailgate in general. So as you guys know, on the key fob, obviously you can drop your tailgate. Looking at your key fob here, you can see it has the tailgate drop right there if you press it twice. So let's do that. Press it twice, obviously your tailgate drops. And this isn't since it is the MultiPro, you have to physically push your tailgate back up. Another way to drop it, obviously, would be the whole tailgate would be this bottom button here out of the two. So by pressing that, it will drop your tailgate, which a lot of you know. This is going to be the thing that I guess a lot of you don't know. So coming with the MultiPro tailgate equipped on the AT4, which I have, comes with the MultiPro, you can lock just the MultiPro portion. So that's obviously what I've done right now. By pressing it, it just flashes its lights and doesn't open. So if you guys want to lock/unlock your MultiPro tailgate top portion, you want to hold this button down with the key fob in range for about, I believe it's 8 seconds. Let's see. So I'm holding it down. Let's see when the lights flash. So there you go. You guys can see the lights flash. Now we can go and drop just the top portion of our MultiPro tailgate. So this is very helpful if you guys have a trailer hitch like me and you drop the whole tailgate and accidentally drop the top part of the MultiPro, and that would hit your hitch, sorry. So you don't want to drop at all. So I like to leave mine locked. So to lock it again, you do the same thing. Hold it for about 8 seconds, I believe. And there you can see the lights flash, which means your tailgate is now locked, just the top MultiPro part, which is very useful. Like I said, if you guys have a trailer hitch. And one more thing to add on the tailgate part, you guys can drop it using your button in the actual truck here. You can see right there by holding it down, you can see I just heard it pop. That's also how you can pop your tailgate. So there's 3 different ways of how to drop your tailgate. All right, guys, so now that we've covered most of the kind of little tips and tricks on the outside of the truck, let's move on to the inside. And I want to start off with using some of these buttons here, which many of you guys might not know what they do. And in particular, this button here, which you can see are your bed lights. So if I press that and then open up my bed tailgate again, you guys can see the truck does have, you can see those are on, those bed lights there. They are on. And also your lights up top. It's hard to see in the day, but they are on as well to kind of shed some light on the back in case you guys are, looking for something in your bed at night or just want the extra light. very handy to have those lights. But a lot of people don't know the switch is right here. So another nice little hidden feature on the Sierra for 2025 are these little knobs on the back of your steering wheel. So as you guys can see here, I'm on the right side of the wheel, and we have an up, and a down. So these two controls, guys, control your volume for the radio or your Bluetooth, music in general. That controls that. And then you guys also on the left side have the exact same two buttons, but these two buttons control, switching songs or seeking if you're trying to change your radio station. They will do all of that. And then if you guys want to pause your radio or your song or mute it, you want to hit this button here to end call. As you guys can see there, easy mute button right there. You don't have to worry about anything. Also, if you wanted to do a soft reset on your whole infotainment system here, you're going to want to make sure the vehicle is in park. You can't be moving while you do this. It has to be in park. You want to hold this hang up button for about 10 seconds, and you guys will see the screen go black. You want to continue holding, I'm still holding the button down until the screen goes black and then comes back on with the GMC logo. Now this, guys, will do a soft reset on your system. And if you have any bugs with your infotainment system, which I know I've had quite a few times where the system's just gone black on me, now I can release the button. Where it's gone black on me, this reset has solved it all. So, a nice little tip if you guys are stuck with the infotainment system, you can always do that. All right, guys, so now we are in the back seat of my Sierra AT4 for 2025. And this is gonna be, one of my favorite little hidden features as part of this truck is gonna be the storage in your back seat. Now, a lot of people, like I said, either the salesman doesn't show you this or you're just unaware that your truck has it. But this little compartment here is just another storage compartment hidden in your back seat. And as you guys can see, it's got pretty good space for, an in-seat compartment. And it doesn't affect, obviously, your seat at all as you're sitting in it. But it's just nice to have this usable space in your back seat. And again, you have this on both sides, left and right side of your truck, as well as your under seat storage, which gives you a lot of area. But yeah, I love the hidden seat storage. All right, guys, so we're back in the driver's seat of my Sierra, and let's fire it up. I want to show you guys how to turn on your mirror defrost if you guys don't know, because there isn't actually a button for it in your Sierra, which a lot of people get confused by, because a lot of other car manufacturers will have a default, clearly labeled button for your mirrors to defrost them in the winter. So you guys can see here your rear defrost button, which is this one right here. So now it's on. This button actually does both side mirrors when it's obviously in the winter time when they're, iced. That button will defrost both your mirrors, but it is hooked up with your rear defrost, which a lot of people don't know. So that is nice that, and again, I don't know if it is pointed out to you when you bought the truck, but it's another thing that is nice to know. If you're wondering why your mirrors aren't defrosting, this is the button that will control that. So obviously we don't need it now, but a very good thing to know. All right, guys, so that will wrap up the must-know hidden features on my 1500 Sierra for 2025. If you guys do know of any other features that you'd like to point out, please let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, these are things that, oftentimes are missed when you buy the truck and either the salesman doesn't explain it or you just never know it for the life of the truck. So it is good to know some of these little features and ins and outs of your truck. But if you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like. Like I said, comment down below on if you guys knew some of these features or all of them. And don't forget to subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.